nice solid uniform shell. Now on these, and of course when I throw him back, he's going to be bringing his little reef with him. There's other baby oysters and whatnot. This shell right here, when I shucked it, you see how the shell sort of caved and it was a real thin layer of calcium, brittle. There's talk about osteoporosis. The end of the shell broke off, and the top shell broke off, and if you look at the shell itself, it's porous. There's a porosity in the layers of calcium that's not evident like in this guy over here. You can see how nice and solid that is. But at any rate, the shell crumbles. You can see the deficient or empty areas, pockets, of where perhaps there was not the pH in the ocean was such that the acidity prevailed rather than the alkalinity, because the oyster harvests the calcium in the water, and there you go, just crumbles. Instead of being hard like a rock, like a stone, this guy the top shell crumbled off, the inside of the shell is crumbling. But what can we do about that? Well, when we harvest oysters, let's just put the shells back in the water.